Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. Today we're going to be picking my monthly Unbox It playlist giveaway winner. You have to excuse me, I've been munching on peanut M&Ms. They are my favorite. Like, I put them in a little airtight container. I take them out of the bag and I'm like, just eat like, 3 or 4 of them. Sometimes my sugar drops a little bit, so I always keep them on hand. So we're going to get right in and pick from, and I think this is from April, right? April comments in May, if I understand that correctly. Sometimes I lose track of what month I'm doing, what month I'm not. So let's get moving, and I'll share the process of the winner being drawn. The wheel of numbers is up, and we're going to have the video chosen from April for the Unbox It playlist winner. And I'll just show you the list of the videos and what days they aired on. Right there. Let's get to the next page. And here is the last couple days. These days here are the days that there was no video. Let me just, I don't think I need that again, so I'll put that away. Okay, and then you'll see they're missing on the wheel. And what I'm going to do is come up here to shuffle, so they're in no order. We're going to click spin and see what video is chosen. Oh, I do need that list, so I know what video it is. Okay. And 17 was chosen. I'll show you what 17 was. IPSY versus IPSY. So that's the video that I will be using for comments. I'm just going to write that down. Number 17. So let me go to that video. If you commented and used Unbox It playlist in your comment, you are publicly subscribed. You will have an entry, and we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so I have the wheel of names up. This is rather disappointing, but I have noticed this lately, that comments are way down. And I know there's been issues with YouTube that it's deleting comments, but I don't think ever in almost 5 years that I've only had 6 comments on a video, which I didn't realize. I actually had one more that is subscribed, but they didn't use the Unbox It playlist. So that's very disappointing to me. And today I was going to give away 2 boxes, but I can't do that with just six entries. It's just not something I can do. I'm just trying to readjust here. So without further ado, we're just going to come into the middle and pick a winner. And the winner of the Unbox It playlist from your April comments is Mary. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. And in the description box will be my email to get a hold of me so that I can mail your box out. Thank you to the few of you that did comment and are entered. And I appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.